So these are the different types of networks. I will be going into detail about all of them. So these are all of them. First of all, what is a network? Can you go next slide, please, sir? A network is a group of computer systems and other computing hardware devices which are linked together through communication channels which facilitate communication and resource sharing among a range of users. Obviously, there's a lot of networks. So the two most known ones are LAN and WAN. So what is the difference? A LAN is a local area network, and it usually covers an area, a quite small area, usually an office or a building, for example, even our school maybe. It can be both wired and wireless, and they're all based on Ethernet, in which there's two ways to implement it. If it's wired with a twisted pair cables, and if it's wireless, just wireless, yeah. And then wide area network, the distance can range from multiple buildings on a college campus to multiple buildings in different parts of the world, which are connected through satellite links. Much like LANs, they can be wired using fiber optic cables or wireless through satellite transmission technology. A virtual area network is a logical group of workstation servers and network devices that appear to be on the same local area network despite their geographical location or distribution. This allows a network of computers and users to communicate in a simulated environment as if they were in a LAN. VLANs are implemented to achieve security as well as ease of network management. A storage area network is a secure and high-speed data transfer network, which is, it makes a network of storage devices which are accessible to multiple servers, and these devices will appear to the servers as attached drivers. It is very safe and very high speed. And next is wireless local area network, which is a wireless distribution method for two or more devices in which they use high frequency radio waves. And a wireless local area network allows people or the users to move around. So for example, if you think about your house, you can move around from your bedroom to the kitchen and you'll still maintain a connection. It is often called just a Wi-Fi network. Internet is a globally connected network system that uses TCP/IP protocols to transmit data via various types of media. And it is not the same as the World Wide Web, as the World Wide Web is one of the servers that are communicated over the internet. And the internet is a network of global exchanges, and it includes public, private, business, academic, and government networks, in which they can be connected through wired, wireless, or fiber optic cables. Extranet, on the other hand, is a controlled private network which allows customers, partners, vendors, suppliers, etc. to share information, and it is usually used in an organization such as a business or even a school, and it restricts users from accessing data that they shouldn't be accessing, and it does so through IDs and passwords, so logins, which they're used to authenticate the users. And then a VPN is a virtual private network, and it allows people to log into a network remotely, no matter their geographical location, as well as encrypt the connection for security reasons, obviously. So no matter where you are in the world, you can access corporate intranet, file servers, or an email just as if you were in your office. And VPN is obviously a very popular way to support remote workers, especially in fields where privacy is very important, for example, healthcare, because it's very secure. Next one is a personal area network, which is a network covering a very, very small area. So for example, this room. And the best example of a personal area network is Bluetooth. And if you think of, for example, a printer or your Bluetooth headphones or something, they are interconnected through the use of LAN technology. And the last one is peer-to-peer network, which is a network model in which computers or hardware devices exchange files. Instead of accessing the files from a server, they simply interchange the files between or amongst each other.